Hi, I'm Mark, electronic engineer. Welcome to my channel. In 1994, I graduated my first studies in electronics and I received a nice diploma. However, Dutch diplomas in general are kind of boring and they're not very nice to look at. It's something you get and like most people you store it, never to be looked at again, except of course when you're applying for a job. So the diploma ended up in a closet, together with all those certificates I received over the years while working, attending trainings, even my bachelor degree I got after that. It's all stored, and there's a nice portfolio. Maybe it's 100 certificates by now, but still it's all stored and nowhere to be seen out of plain sight. Here's the thing. My wife graduated. She got a bachelor degree from a university in a different country, and she got a diploma that's really amazing. It's beautiful to look at, very colorful, and it's really something you would put up on the wall. Except we're in Holland, and we don't like to put diplomas on the wall in general. Well, maybe some people do, but you don't see that a lot here. It's a pity, it's a shame. So I decided to change all that. As a surprise, I took my wife's diploma, I scanned it so I had a digital copy, and then I made it into an acrylic plate by using the laser cutter. So basically I engraved the diploma onto an acrylic plate, and then I put it on a piece of wood, and together I hang it on the wall. But of course, I'm an electronic engineer. There's something more to it than just acrylic. Let's see and find out. It looks amazing, doesn't it? But wait, let me turn off the light. Now we can even see it in the dark. So much better than storing it in the closet, isn't it? 2 down, 98 to go. The first thing you need is a wooden board. I used a borrowed milling machine to cut out some space for the batteries, the LiPo charger and some small electronics. I also made 2 holes to place the LEDs. I will put the link of the LEDs in the description below. I used a LiPo charger that I bought at AliExpress. It's a 2-cell charger and I didn't feel the need of designing my own one since it was so cheap. But if I did need one, I would have contacted PCBWay. And then you have to wire up everything. I included a MOSFET and a light sensitive resistor, so the device will automatically switch on as soon as it becomes darker in the room. Once you've done testing it and you're sure everything works, you should probably fill it up with some resin. Of course, I included a schematic. I also added a power switch so I can switch it off completely, dark or light, no matter what, because sometimes you don't want it to be on. Trust me, those LEDs can be very bright, so when you're sleeping, you don't want them to be on. And that's how I did it. So maybe you want to build your own and you no longer have a reason to hide your diploma in the closet and put it on the wall like I did. Show the world what you're proud of. And if you build one, remember, I love to see a photo. Until then, see you next time.